Hello guys, welcome back to Octavalley. And in this tutorial, let us design the main activity. So these are the various images which are required for our app. This is for seller, login, and these are various products. And I will send the link for these images, guys. Now copy all these images, and we need to paste it on Firebase storage. We are going to access it on online, not in not via app, because if we access via app, we need to spend more memory in it. The app size will be bulk, so it's better to upload it in Firebase storage, and we can retrieve it from it, and we can use it from there. And just go to storage, get started, set done. It's creating our bucket. Let us wait for it. So meanwhile, we can go to our app, and we need to add some dependencies into our build file. So I have the list of all the implementation. So I'm going to copy all these, paste it right here. Analytics. We need to paste all the implementation because these implementation we will be using in various parts of the app. So instead of implementing one by one, I'm just copying everything at once and I'm going to paste it right here. So these includes the Firebase Analytics, core, database, authentication, storage, and this is image view, and this is for gliding, that is for retrieving images from Firebase storage, and this is for saving password, and this is Firebase UI, this is for Picasso for retrieving image, and this is for cropping image, and this is for elegant button, and this is we can get the material icons right here, and this is Recyclerview, and this is card view. So sync all. I think it will be upload. Yeah, our new storage is created. We can create a folder. You can name it as um, category. You can name anything you want. Now inside category we need to add all the files. So we need to upload the files. So it will be right. So we need to copy this and paste it here. We need to open all. Just upload everything and make sure while you are building this compiling this project, make sure to turn on internet so the required dependencies will be downloaded from the internet and everything will be working fine. So yeah, all the dependencies have been added. Now let us design our main activity, and yeah, this is over. Before that um, we need to copy these two images. This is 1 and 2 and 3. We need to rename it first. Let us rename it. Register. There are three things: login, and this one will be join now. Yeah. Make sure everything is in small letters, and there should be no gap in it, that is no blank space in it. Copy these three and we can paste it in this drawable folder. Make sure it is drawable, not v24. Yeah, paste it right now. Yeah, was this ready? I will just save it for you guys. Save. uh, we can save it on this. And it will be I need to save it right. E-commerce app images. You can save it as dependencies. So I can upload it for you guys. Yeah, it's now saved. It will be right. Yeah. Yeah, here it is. So everything is fine. Now let us design our main activity. Change this layout to relative layout. And let us just clear this hello text word. And I think, yeah, our all files are uploaded. So we can use this. I will say how to use this. So before that, we can add the background, register, and most importantly, we will be using these values, guys. This one, color primary dark and color primary. So let both be same. So before, yeah, it's right now. It's looking good. So one more thing is, yeah, we need to create two drawable, that is two XML file for background of button and background of edit text. So new activity, no, new drawable resource file. Let's create buttons first. It will be background for button. Change it to shape. I think small shape. Solid color primary dark. Yeah. Now we need to set the corners for it. Corners, radius 20. Yeah. Here you can see the corners. I mean here. These are the corners for the button. 20 dB sets good. Everything is fine. This is our buttons. And we need to create one more for um, edit text. Here we can name it as um, input design. Yeah, since we are inputting the design. Here it is also shape. And for this, the stroke we need to stroke, color, primary dark. Yeah, 20 dp is so bad, so big. We can create 15. Let us use and see. 15 dp, and for this corners 10 dp. Yeah, it sounds great. Let us use and see this. If any changes required, we can change it later. Now in this we need to add an image view, which will be our logo. Image view width will be 300 dp, height will be 200 dp, id. We need to give an id for each widget we are creating. For this image view, let us give it as image view itself. Otherwise, we can give it more relevantly logo. Close this XML tag. We need to now create a text view. Wrap content, text. Buy and sell easily. Buy and sell easily. Buy and sell easily. Yeah, it will be good. It should be below this logo. Let us create it as center horizontal true. So it's here right now. We need to increase the size of it. Size can be 20 sp, and color for it. Color will be color memory dark. Yeah, it's now good, and we can align text on textile, bold and italic, both bold and italic. Buy and sell easily. I think yeah, we need to give an ID for it. We can give it as slogan text view. Now we need to create buttons. For creating button, just create a button. Attachment, wrap content, align bottom to let us background of it should be buttons. Yeah, now it looks great. See, this is the one we are using, and we need to create the margin for it. 30 dp. Yeah, it's now perfect. Let it be we need to create a text. Login. We can just give text color as we can give white. Yeah, and for text all caps, false. Text size 17 would be good. Hope so. Yeah, 17 is good. And now what we would like to do is, yeah, I think, yeah, we need to give an ID. We need to give it more relevantly because we will be using so many widgets in this application. So we can give it with the starting name of the activity, and we can continue the widget name. So this is main activity. So we can give it as main login button, and we won't be using this image view and this, what is this, text view. So we no need to worry about it, but this one we need to worry. I think we need to give the padding 20 GB, not padding, it is margin. Yeah, so clear it, center horizontal true, margin top and dp. Yeah, it's not 10, it should be at least 20. Yeah, 20 dB is fine, and it's so big we can reduce the size, let it be 200. 150 is fine. So I think way better is, now it looks fine, and we need to add this margin top 10 dB. So there will be some gap between these two, logo and this text view. So now it's over. We have given the ID for it. I think that's all. We need to copy it, paste it once more. It will give us an error. So let it be this one be login and this one be sign in. That is join now. Join now. It will be main join now button. Don't worry guys, the ID name for every widget is long, but it is easier to identify when it in later, in future, in nearby future. So don't worry. And we need to remove this and set it above, layout above ID main login button. It's no need for 30 dB. We can give it for, we can give it for 10 dB. We need to change this margin bottom 10 dB and margin right will be 30 dB, margin left it will be 30 dB. Yeah, where it is. Yeah, I think everything is fine. Yeah, we have already hit 30 dB guys, so we don't need margin bottom. So it's now fine. So this is our main activity design. Now let us go to our main activity.java. Close this topic. Now we need to create private image view. Image, it is logo and private button. It is, we need to import this one, that is widget, not this one. This one private button what button we need is join now. Yeah, it's main join now button, and the one more is main login button. Yeah. Now to make the what is that? To view our logo. Wait, let me show you first our logo. Yeah, where it is shop hub. Yeah, this is our logo. Copy it. No. Copy this path, and we need to add it to Firebase. Upload a file. Where it is? Yeah, here it is. Shop hub. So let me show you. It's bending. Before that, let us go on logo. Find view by ID. R.id dot logo. Yeah, it's better. Now we need to create a string as or name anything you want for string. We need to paste a path right here, and we need to glide dot get context. Get base constructs dot load. Wait a minute, guys. Let me show you where it is. Ours is shop hub. Yeah, here it is. If you go for file location, you can get the storage location. Copy this location, paste it right here. Not this. I think this one. Hope so. Yeah, this is the one. Glide dot yes load yes load. Wait a minute. I will say it in next tutorial. Hope so. Yeah. So if you copy this link and paste it right here, I think yeah, you should get this image which we have uploaded. If you get this image, you can able to retrieve it successfully. So this is our logo, Shop Hub and Octo Valley. So let me continue in next tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching this video.